Alright, everyone, this is Robert. Do what I like in Linux. I'm just gonna check real quick. Yep, it's under the recording. It's doing the recording. Yeah, the input. I meant on my headset, Logitech headset. Yeah. So anyhow, um, we're gonna start with the file manager, which is Nemo 2.8.7. It says Nemo lets you organize files and folders both in your computer and online. I want to point out a feature. There's let me put this down for a second, really quick. There is it's under sound and video. The right, no, not that one. Um, so I'm not doing the camera, so the program should pop up. Hopefully it does, and it'll work. I don't want to do video, just want to um, get a picture. Look like it's gonna work. um, Darn, I was hoping that it would. That would have been so good, so cool. Let me see. Try again. GVC. Yeah, okay. So I'm not going to do video, but as you can see, this is some GVC. I don't know how that's even pronounceable. Don't even know why they chose a name, but it is what it is. Audio codecs. It's under. Well, this is the first time I actually seen this audio codecs under MP2. It's MPEG-2 there. It should be under here, and that would make the audio at least a little bit better. Video codecs. What they got here? Oh, MP4 ASP. I don't know. Maybe AUG would be, might be better. I'm not sure. What about MPEG Video 1? Maybe that might work too. I had to try that out later and do sort of a video vlog to see the difference between the two. So no, I just wanted to catch a picture of me. Not that I actually think that's a cool thing or anything. But anyhow, let me go back to home. You should see a picture. Yeah. I didn't put the webcam thing in here. I could, as you can see, I can pull it up. But one of the reasons that I when I decided against that one, you don't need to really see me. You can hear me. You can see what's going on the desktop. Secondly, then I'm able to do this, take a picture with the other program, which GUVC View. What I like about this OS is that I can take this picture or any other file and copy it to or move it to pictures or wherever else I want to. So I can move it to pictures, and if I click on pictures, there it is. Most of you already probably know you can rename stuff. Um, you know, my photo. It's got my photo. You know, so you can rename it. My name there, Robert. So that's kind of cool, and so like I said, this is Nemo. It's I just probably show you different stuff here. Add bookmarks. I never really do that. I don't even have a need for that. But it's there if I decide to use it. And then you have extra pane, which you could just use with F3. So if I said I needed extra pane, I just go to F3 on my keyboard, hit it, and dun da da da. I wonder if I hit F3 if it'll do another one. So no, it goes back and gives you one. So you push F3 and it gives you another pane. F3 and it goes back to where it was. Um, so here's the trash. They have recent, which I don't think I actually seen in other file managers. Um, Trying to recall just from memory. Um, yeah. So this thing, it does play music. I'm not going to. Um, I can put my little USB in and load up some music. Um, I was on Google Plus today and had a little small issue with. Um, Let me show you a program that I had the issue with under here. Yeah, this one. Now, this is our favorite program. This is one you saw in the earlier. One of the reasons I am like this program is because um, I think some of the regular ones under I think it's Pulsar no ALSA, right, ALSA. It's basically like a volume control, just to control your volume. You can see what you're using, so the volume of what it's going to be like. The as far as regulating or managing either recording or that's the volume. So it's probably pretty loud for your ears. I could turn that down. Um, when I have the input, I can, turn that up or turn it down. 100 is looks like a good 100. Yeah, so it's good enough for you to hear. I know I have as a friends of mine have told me, a very baritone, and if I don't talk clear enough, um, then it sounds monotone. And so um, I try to, speak up on that. Well, anyways, this program, for some odd reason, I'm not sure. A lot of times, I install a lot of programs which I end up using under system tools is Synaptic Package Manager. This is the Synaptic Package Manager. Um, and you can use this to look for, um, well, you can see for programs. This is the program that you just seen a little while ago to take the picture, and it gives you a little bit of information here. Um, Devices supported by the Linux UBC driver. So if you looked up under UBC um, driver. Now, when you type something in here, not exact, you're really not going to get anything. It's a driver. Um, so if you wanted to find that, and now here you got UBC. It tells you what the program is. Let's see. So that's runtime. Let's see, development. Okay. So the driver is probably there somewhere. See, command line to data. So, but anyways, You can look for programs. Um, uh, Type in webcam. It might give me some applications that help run a webcam. This is an image grabber and uploader. Sometimes you get a screenshot, sometimes not, and it's just blank. So, um, yeah, see, like that. But if there is a screenshot, it will show you something. If not, it'll be blank like that. Um, let's see. This is a program which is similar to GUVC View, is still a webcam or video recorder, and you know, you know, picture like snapshot. Um, and so you can see Cheese actually, well, they actually updated the picture. They used to use the same picture over and over and over. I wonder what system he's using, because this I don't know this window manager theme there, but I do like it. I do like that. I have to figure out what one he's using, because it doesn't look like he's running it on no, it's not on the Windows system, because I don't think this is um, a multi-platform. I'm not sure if this is multi-platform application. Some applications are multi-platform. Um, let's see. Um, and you have Chromium, which is a Chrome um, browser that's open source version. Let's see here. Um, Chromium browser debug symbols. That's a game. They actually have a game called Chromium, which is kind of cool. Let's see. Drivers, web app, free FFmpeg codecs for the browser, and extensions. Could we get to the browser, please? Yeah, there we go. Chromium browser, open source version of Chrome. See, I wasn't lying. And then you have this here. This says it again. Um, and then you can visit the homepage. Um, right there, it's a link. Sometimes the links work. Let's see if it works. Sometimes they're outdated. Yeah, see, your Firefox profile can't be loaded. It may be missing or inaccessible. Um, which doesn't. Yeah, I know. Um, yeah, I know. I was trying to stop. This thing is so sensitive. Stop. Would you stop? I'm not even there, and it was just kept going. As soon as I get on the page, it will start clicking it by itself. I was trying to copy. That's what I was trying to do. Um, well, that's how you can access, applications. But there's other ways. They have the software manager. Um, I wanted to see if this thing actually opened up. No, maybe I got too many things running. That's causing a problem. Um, by the way, this is what? No, this is the default web page. I'm going to. All right. Control V. Oh, it doesn't want to do it. I know. Really? Oh my goodness. So it didn't copy it? Oh wow. That's rich. Yeah, anyway. Um I was just going to see if it actually took it to the um take it to the website. That's all. But you can, Google things. I use usually, well, this is a start page here. Notice it say DuckDuckGo. That's what I usually use. Let's see here. They don't have it. They they have DuckDuckGo. I usually use Google encrypted, um, DuckDuckGo, or startpage.com. Um, I'll show you real quick. And I know this is supposed to be about Peppermint. You know, um, I'm gonna get to, but this is the home page right here. What the site hopes to cover. What is start page? Why use the start page? How to install and set up the start page? How to use the start page? Some screenshots. Okay. I never actually been here. Um, I used to go just to start page. um, okay. Am I missing something here? Yeah. This is something different. Um, okay. No, it's not a browser. It's a. Uh, I'm about to say URL. It's a search engine. Yeah. Um, Sometimes differentiate from the two or from everything else. Um, Here you can make it dark. I like it dark. It's a little bit better on my eyesight. So this is the start page web search. This is DuckDuckGo, as you can see, but I'm going to go to start page. Um, Heard about the Yahoo email hack and government spying. Is how to get safe again with start page. And they have a theme here. I like this is black classic and regular black or updated. They have the night one too, which you can pick that. Um, so this is browser. This is search engine start page. So anyway, this is edit program text edit, a small lightweight text editor for the Mate desktop, which is interesting because I didn't think this was a Mate desktop because it had a whisker menu. That's what this is. I'm willing to bet it's a whisker menu, which is for the XFC desktop. Am I right? Am I right? Whisker menu. That I tell you, that's for the XFC desktop. So they mixed it up. I like it. I like it. Um. Okay. So you see what it is in the version. Okay. Um. Let's see what else. VLC media player. This is media player. You can get to your files that you're going to use. You open that up and you can go into whatever the file is, whether it's on the desktop or documents, or you don't want documents, you want either music or video. click open, and there it is. Whatever it is, since this is a virtual, a live um, session, there's nothing there, nothing saved. Um, and then you have your firewall configuration. It's to keep bad stuff out and let you go to surf the web safely. One click and your firewall is set up. Ain't that simple? Let's see, check out the terminal. Pluma is the text editor, which you already seen. Firefox, you already seen. Software manager, I think I showed that. Oh, open, no, I think it's already open, isn't it? Search engine settings. Right. Let's look at the settings. Here you have wallpapers. Have them all here. And you just select them, and then you click this thing that says apply. If I click this and I click apply, it's already here. So let me try something different. And it changes. There's some pretty high quality pictures. Let's see, wallpapers and settings, right? So you get to see the little squirrel. Okay. Let's see, wallpapers, go back. If you have the red theme, then you could use that and click apply and use that as the background. There's no blue theme. As far as I know, check the settings here. Settings, the look and feel. So there's, let's see, a pink and a red. I don't think there's a blue. Yeah, I don't think there's a blue. There's a pink. I don't like pink. Well, I don't have a problem with pink. I just don't want pink. But you can see the difference looks. Gray bird, industrial mist, dark 7, which is the default, and the pink, and the red, and the light, and another pink and light, and light red. And then they have Raleigh, which remind me of Windows XP color theme there. Well, this one is actually closer. You have thin ice. Yeah, so it's different looks. Let's go back to the default. Apply. Then you have some icons to play with. You got add width, no, new mix circle. See, Peppermint 7, Peppermint 7 brown, Peppermint 7 pink, Peppermint 7 red. Let's go back to default. And mouse. So you have DMZ white, DMZ black, and add width. Let's go back to white. Yeah, there's some other stuff that don't matter too much there. All right. So the panel preferences is what? Okay. So appearance, I should do some tweaking. You probably shouldn't mess with that unless especially if you're new, which that's what sort of the aim is here. Here's a Firefox theme, and you can go with the system theme. Click OK. So they want to restart Firefox. Okay, so let's look to Firefox, see the difference from what we saw before. I'll probably say that open to look. Um, I mean, I don't see the difference. But there you go. You've seen the wallpaper. Um, seen Peppermint and his Peppermint control hardware. Let's see, under sound, we have this. We already looked at that. Additional drivers, power management. Um, Nothing. Pretty standard stuff for Linux system. Um, Monitor shows to the resolution. Additional drivers. Now this may take a minute to load up, and what they call it, populate or whatever. Um, Now, that's, sometimes you have to play around with some stuff in here because every machine is configured different. So you might need drivers for your machine. Yeah. So you might need them, but this is where you would go to find them. Um, so, and one is for the actual processor, and the other one is for the wireless driver. So, yeah, and then over here you have the software, but this is for only people who know what they're doing. So, personal preference, panel preference. Pardon me. Um, this is the window theme here. We're gonna stay with what we have, but it show you there's you know different ones here, and you got keyboard and pointer. If you want to do some tweaking, there's where it would be, and the command from the keyboard commands, sort of shortcuts, if you will. There it is. Hardware system update manager. This utility. This is the hard drive here. This is the thumb drive that this thing is running on. And some more stuff on the thumb drive, I do believe. Right. So, yeah, so much it. Let's see. Disk utility update manager. Default applications. Yeah, don't mess with this. Update manager. Didn't I just come here? No, no, I didn't do update manager. Um, I think that is what they would call sources. The last one that we just looked at, that would be what used to be called sources. And here in this distribution, it's called update manager. Um, it's called something different. Anyway, so on to here. It says it's up to date, but if there were some updates, they would be here, and then you would click this and update it. Usually, when you get the your system and especially installed, it's going to have some updates. Um, and I would say this is what you should do is, even though you see updates and telling you update, do a refresh because there may be even more. Okay, because trust me, when I did this, is that I would install the updates that I've seen, and then minutes or even less, it would have more updates. But because those first ones are just the initial updates to update the system to, like whatever it was when it was created to what what's going on currently. So that's what you can do here. And there, like I said, there are um, some stuff you could do there. So I think I got pretty much this utility, the time and date. I didn't show you, but it's really not much to see. Um, this is synchronized by through the internet and the servers. So that's pretty much it. Stuff for printers, I don't. So I appreciate what you're talking about. What they you're looking at. I appreciate your time, and see you on the next do what I like in the next video. Peace.